You guys, I think this is my sofa. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back. It is a big day today, and it's a big day because I'm finally getting my sofa. I'm so excited. I've been waiting what feels like forever. The day is finally here. I moved into this apartment I think like 3 months ago, so I've been waiting a while, but the whole issue was that obviously COVID delayed the factory where my sofa was being made and stuff like that. And so when it was time to make my sofa, there was a delay. And then by the time they were gonna make my sofa, they ran out of the fabric that I wanted. So then we had to wait for the fabric. So it was this whole big thing. I'm just so excited to just finally lay on my sofa and watch some movies. It's October, so I'm ready to have some like Halloween fun nights in here with my girlfriends and stuff. So super stoked about that. I just need to clean up the living room a little bit. It's pretty clean. I leave everything pretty clean, but I just need to like vacuum up. And that's basically it. I'm just gonna be waiting. They're supposed to get here between 12 to 4. It's already past 1, so no call from them yet. So I'm like, please hurry up. But yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys. I'm kind of nervous, but I think it's gonna be good. I've already had a sofa from this company before, so I kind of already know what to expect, and I love the quality, and I'll share all of the details about the sofa once it arrives. But I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum up, and then I'll start recording again once the sofa arrives. So I just got a call and my sofa is 25 minutes away. I'm so excited. I wanna record them bringing it in, but I don't know if I'm supposed to like ask if I can like record them or just have the video or just have the camera out and stuff. I'll probably just ask just to be nice, but I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm sure it'll be fine. And I just got anxiety all of a sudden. All right, I'll see you when it arrives. You guys, I think this is my sofa. I think. Like, what else would it be, right? Is it okay if I record? Is it okay? Huh? Yeah. Okay. You guys, it just got delivered and I love it. I am so in love with it. I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna show you. Oh my gosh, finally it's here. Okay, so a little look at it. Okay, I don't even know what to say. I'm so excited. You guys, this is like the cutest sofa ever. So this is the Saxon sofa from APT2B in the color cream. So the Saxon sofa comes with these really nice legs. These are in a natural color, and I thought they were gonna be a little bit darker. Let me know what you think, because there's another one that's darker than this, but I feel like it would be too dark. So let me know what you think about the legs. They're just in the natural color. But it looks so good, you guys. Like, maybe I should just keep that color, but I know if I want, I could just switch them out for the darker ones. But besides that, it looks so cute in here. And this is the apartment sized one because there's like the original Saxon sofa is gonna be a little bit bigger, like just like longer. But since my apartment, like it would have to go right here, like right in the damn middle of the living room. So I was like, I need to get the apartment size because once I move this over, I want to be able to like obviously move around the living room. So I went with the little smaller version, but honestly this is perfect. Like I can still seat like 3 of my friends comfortably in here. And I just love, like, remember I said that my goal was to, like, when you just look up you can see the 2 frames right there. So I'm really happy with how that turned out. I think maybe I should move the frames a little bit lower, but other than that, it looks so cute. I love the color, it's perfect. And I'm excited to like break it in a little bit. And now I can finally sit and watch TV. I'm so excited. It's complete, you guys. It's complete. Oh my God, and I love the color so much. It looks so good. And I was honestly freaking out that it was still going to be too big, but this is perfect because it's just me. And then when my friends come, like, we're still gonna comfortably like be able to hang out in this space. Now I just have to move it closer to like, because it's like obviously too close to this wall over here. So I'm just gonna move it a little bit. I should have told the delivery guys to help me, but I can do it by myself. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh, it's so light. And then later, once I go through all my inventory in that room, I'm going to move all office stuff into that room and make that like a permanent office. That's the goal. And then move this little situation and make it into the actual dining nook, and then like get like the bigger table and then 2 more chairs. So that is the goal. But for now, it's gonna have to just be like this. So I think we're gonna move it back a little bit more because let's see, like if I'm walking from the door, so this is the view, so cute. I have so much space. Like this is so much more space than I thought. This is like a good amount. It's perfect. But I'm wondering if I should move it back a little bit, like with the rug and everything, to like make it more suitable for the coffee table. So I think I'm gonna get like those little things for the legs so that it doesn't move. Okay. Oops. Honestly, now that I moved it, the coffee table doesn't look too bad. So let me show you what we're working with here. I think it looks even. Maybe a little more this way. Okay, yeah, I really need to get those little leg thingies because the sofa moves so easily, but it looks so good. Let me show you. All right, so I did it like this so that way both the coffee table and the sofa can be like somewhat on the rug. The rug is just obviously not the perfect size, but I love it so much, so just gonna make it work. And then that cacti needs to move over to that side more. All right, super cute. Okay, so when you walk in, we have all of this space. This guy's getting moved. And then we have all of this space and then all of this space. I think I need to move it up a little bit more. I think that is better. All right, let's try this again. All right, now we are good. Now we have all of this space and all of this space, which is honestly perfectly fine. Then we have my room. Then we have my little office nook. And then we have the kitchen. And then we have a little dining table. But yeah, once I fix that situation, I'm thinking about putting like a little bar cart or something right here. Very minimal, because I want to focus everything on just like the sofa and all this over here. All right, you guys, I just finished recording the reels that I was doing for Instagram, and it's starting to get warm. It was like gloomy all day and I loved it. But it's starting to get a little bit warm. It's probably just gonna last for like an hour at most. But I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit cozier because I need to start taking some pictures and then edit everything, because I really want to post it on Instagram soon, as in like tomorrow, as in Sunday the 11th, when I don't know when this is going out. But yeah, I'm so happy, and I lost my breath a little bit. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and just get cozy and do all that, and I'm gonna enjoy my Saturday night by myself on my new sofa watching a show on Netflix, because I've been waiting to do that forever. And I'm like, I don't even want to sit on it because I don't want to like mess it up. Let me show you guys again. I love her, and I'm excited to just spend the rest of my apartment life with her. She's a cutie. She is a cutie. But anyways, thank you guys again for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you aren't following me on Instagram, follow me on there, because I'll be posting every single day. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys again, and I will see you next video.